Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Skyla Star here with another video. And by the title, you already see that we're going to be playing in some new foundation. I went to Ulta and got the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade 300. They ain't have many on the shelf. Okay, they didn't have the display, so I couldn't swatch it. So I tried it right here when I came home, and it looked like it was a match. For those of you that are new, I match my foundation with my chest, not my neck, because your neck is always going to be darker than the rest of your body. So you will want your face to match your neck, okay? And I learned that in beauty school. I am a certified New York makeup artist, period. So this is a radiance foundation, so it's hydrating. It's for the dry skin girls. It's medium to full coverage. It comes in, I believe, 30 shades, just like the I Am Magic, just like this one. I am 310 for Kenya in this one, but they didn't have, I don't know if it goes hand in hand with each other, because I see on the Ulta website that they do have the same names. So I'm not sure, but I'm 310 in this one, but they didn't have 310 in Ulta. And the reason why I got it from Ulta is because when you order the Juvia's Place foundation off of their website, you can't send it back if it's the wrong shade. So go get it from Ulta. At least you can take it back and get your money back if it's not your right shade, or exchange it for a new color. So it's made with vitamin A and C and some kind of cherries. So it's supposed to be lightweight and weightless, water resistant formula, but I don't know who's dumping their face in a whole bunch of water. It's free from parabens and all of that. So we're gonna see what this is hitting for. I'm not gonna speak through the video. I'm just speaking through the intro, and then I'll come back at the end and let y'all know what I think about the foundation once I do all my face and everything else. Now, keep in mind, it does say that it is water resistant formula, but once you add your powders and everything else, your powders, your concealer, and all of that stuff is not water resistant. So there goes that. Just like when they say that the foundation is transfer proof, you add concealer on top of that. So the foundation might be transfer proof, but your concealer isn't. Y'all get what I'm saying? So yeah, let's hop on into this tutorial. I'm listening to some music. Y'all are too. If I run into any problems, I'll hop in on a voiceover. I know what they did say. You got to shake it really well. And it also tells you that on the bottle. By the way, the packaging is really, really nice. It says shake well on the bottle, and then it tells you to peel off, but I'm not going to peel it off. Yeah, let's hop into this, okay? So we're going to shaky, and hop into this foundation. I am going to do like my normal skincare that I would do with any other foundation. I'm not going to change what I put on my skin. So let me go into that. I'm going to use my e.l.f. primer. I am kind of dry. I did get this, but I'm not going to use this because this is a new product. So I probably use my In Key List Omega Water Cream. and I'm going to use this as my primer. So this is my moisturizer, and this is my primer. So I'm going to use these three and then put on a foundation. So let go. this. Nigga wanna fuck this pussy, gotta suck this pussy. Let me see your way to. Alright, so the face is on, and I'm not gonna lie, it's real lightweight. I don't like the packaging. If I could say one thing that I don't like the packaging. You can't lay it down or anything like that. You have to keep it standing up, because as y'all seen in the video, I had to open it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that in or not. I don't know if y'all really seen it or not. So you have to keep it like this, because there is no tube in here to like bring the foundation to this part. So basically when you're squirting it out, you know, it's like the foundation is coming to one side of the tube. So you have to keep the, I guess that's why you suction out the air. I don't know. But I wasn't feeling that part. I had a struggle to get it out of the bottle. I didn't like that. Like I said, I didn't like that aspect of it. But it do feel like I have nothing on my face. Nothing. And I done did my concealer and everything. Also, after you finish pumping it out, wipe this white part off so you won't get foundation inside your top. If that's a big deal for you. If not, then, you know, by all means, do what is comfortable for you. And yeah, you do have to shake it. So upon shaking it, I would shake it this way versus this way. So this way all of the product could come down, because you do have to shake it. It is lightweight, I give it that. I do like the fact that it's lightweight. It is a hydrating foundation, and I'm not a dewy type of girl. Even though I have dry skin, I can't stand hydrating foundation. I love anything matte because I feel like it lasts longer. But I do like the fact that this is lightweight and it feels like I have nothing on my face at all. So I love that aspect of it. But I'm having it on for a little while. I might come back and give you a little update. If not, then I'll type it in while I'm editing this video, or maybe I'll do like an Instagram clip and stuff, because it's content night for me, so it's gonna be on my face for a couple of hours. So yeah, I'll let you guys know, and I'll keep you updated on how I feel about it. But so far, I'm not mad at it. The shininess that was on my face has gone because I set my face with powder. So I don't know, I have to see how I feel about it.